Math time. Today we will learn how to solve sequence of numbers, the arrangement of numbers, okay, which we term as the factorial function. The factorial function talks about the number of arrangement of objects. For example, that's the counters. Okay, the first counter, the second counters. Okay, that's how we work out how to find the number of arrangements by multiplying the number of times it appears. Okay, let's look on the board. This is factorial function. The number of possible arrangements. For example, how to arrange two counters. This is the first and the second. Okay, so the number of arrangement is 2 times 1. Okay, and it has two form of arrangement. That's 2 times 1. So if I have 3 counters, what will be the number of arrangements? That is 3, and it will be as 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so now let's find the factorials for these objects: 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. These are the number of counters. Okay, so now we find the factorial function of these 3 counters. We have it as 3 times 2 times 1, which gives us 6. Okay, we have 4. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 gives us 24. Okay, and we have the 5th counters. The number of arrangements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we multiply all of them to get our answer. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. So we have 120. Let's try the 6th one. 6 times 5 gives us 30. 30 times 4 is 120. 120 times 3 is 360. 360 times 2 is 720. 720 times 1, we know the property that we are talking about. We are talking about identity. Any number times 1 is the same number, okay? So we have 720. Let's go over again. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. 120 times 3 is 360. 360 times 2 is 720. 720 times 1, this is what we get. Thank you very much for being part of this lesson. Have a good day. Bye-bye.